Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you my beauty room slash art room. So I've been working in here to decorate and basically get it all organized, and it still isn't quite exactly what I need it to be, but it is much better than it was when we first moved in, and it probably looks the best that it's looked in all this time, I think, that we've been here so far. So just for context, we moved in it was in August. So it's been just a couple of months that we've been here, and I just thought I would share with you guys how it's looking so far and maybe tell you just a few of the future things that I still need to do in here. But if you guys are ready, I'm gonna just flip you around and just kind of show you guys what I have so far. Right, so please keep in mind that I'm not done in here and there is still a little bit of clutter, so please bear with me. But yeah, my room is right actually next to my husband's room. He hasn't done much of anything in his office, but I have been trying to get my room done. So when you come in, there is the doorway here, which there you can see the hallway I was just standing in. And then there's the closet right here. And then this is how the room looks. Actually, let me zoom you guys out a little bit. I think it's easier to see the room this way. All right, so when you do come in, over here to the left, there is the closet, which just has some of my fall clothes in it and some of my winter clothes that I don't wear all year round, so that I can kind of switch things out and kind of move things around as I like into our main closet, which is in the bedroom. I do have my paintings that I did up here, and I really want to use a lot of my artwork in this room. I want to be able to display my artwork in here and have my artwork hanging up. I also got this little stand on Amazon. It's a very small stand. I was hoping it would actually be just a little bit bigger, but I think it's good enough. And this is basically for some more of my art supplies, for things that don't fit into here. So I have my painting supplies. I have these canvases, some pens that I use for journaling. This is for a project I'm hoping to do, my paints, and some more canvases over here. And then on the top shelf, this is just some random discs that I had laying around, a Mariah Carey CD, and an old disc from a computer game. And I actually am just trying to find somewhere I can put those away, so they're not going to be staying here at all. And then my mom's neighbor, she actually painted this for me. She does watercolor paintings and she does sell them. And then I just kind of have this up here because I was hoping to maybe put something in it, but right now I haven't really decided what to put in there yet. So also, then we have the closet, and then I do have these cherry blossoms here. I decided to move it in here because I am going to be getting a cherry blossom poster that's going to go about right here next to this koi poster, which I really like. And I thought this was very on theme, and I do kind of actually like the way that it looks here in the corner, but I need to get some styrofoam in the bottom of there to kind of help keep those sitting up straight. And then I did buy this shelving unit. This is the lac, I think that's how you say it, lac shelving unit from IKEA. And I do have a few of my things put on here. I'm definitely going to be changing and moving some stuff around, but temporarily I have put my fragrances there, some of my Harley Quinn figures, pop figure things, and then some pictures and my wedding bouquet down there. And then this bucket, I don't plan on leaving this way. This is mostly a lot of hair and nail stuff, and I need to still kind of organize all that. So I just, for now, have it sitting in that bucket. But I did get these little LED lights off of Amazon, and I put them on my shelf this way so that I can kind of change the colors as I like, and actually really like the way those look. And then, like I was saying, I do have this koi poster here, which I got on Amazon as well. And I'll be putting the cherry blossom poster right there. That way you guys will be able to see that in the background. This here is my arts and crafts cabinet, and I really need to do more organizing with that and just kind of moving some things around because it's kind of all over the place right now. But temporarily, I have it organized fairly well. And then, of course, my mic, have a few little decoration things up there, my record player. Those are some old books that I'm trying to figure out where to put them. They're my old books from when I was a child. So I'm going to figure out where to put those. And then I have some jigsaw puzzles in one of those boxes that I need to figure out where to store them. And then I have like my nails, like nail lamp and other stuff down there. And then my sewing machine and thread is on the side. So this table is my arts and crafts table. It's where I'm going to be able to do my arts and painting and hopefully create paintings and art that I can sell. And I do plan on putting something up here, but I'm not sure what yet. So once I figure it out, I'll put it up there. But for now, it's just a blank wall. And I did paint in here as well. So it's kind of this really nice creamy pink kind of color. I really, really like it. It's called Marshmallow from Sherwin-Williams, and I really like it. This is my view of our neighbor's house, and I do plan on possibly putting a blueberry bush back here, so hopefully that will be the view out of my window. And then those are photo albums and just old photos and different things that are down in that little bin. And then on this side is my vanity area, which I also really want to put something on the wall. I feel like it needs something up there. It looks kind of sad and lonely. But this is my ukulele, my yoga mat, basically a lot of my makeup things, my vanity, and this cart, which has a lot more of my stuff on it. So when you guys see me filming, this is where I'm usually sitting. And then this here is a painting that I did that I'm really proud of, and I really like it. So I just put it up there for now. And that's basically my whole room. It's not a very big room. There's not a whole lot in it right now, but I'm pretty happy with it. And I think it's gonna look really nice. I'm glad to finally have a room to put my art stuff in and be actually able to do some art in here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick little show of my little art room, my beauty room. Let me know what you guys think. Be nice about the clutter. Let me go ahead and turn these lights off. Sometimes I feel like you have to hit the button pretty hard. There we go. All right. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.